Hello you guys, so in this video I'm gonna be talking about mounting um, a ntfs file system. So in the start of the video, currently basically I don't have an answer to it, but let's find out together. So I've already tried some solutions that basically I have here these devices, block devices, and what I'm trying to mount is this ntfs drive. So it's a SDA one. When I try to mount it like that and give a read and write and remount options, it quite not work. Let me show it. Bad option. I think it's this, because remount is for and I already mounted just right. So what's the problem here? I'm going to find mount, and it's being mounted as read and the O option. I need the read and write option like that, like this discs here. So no one before it is ntfs, and let's try some options. So I've researched some links here, and that's the second time I'm recording this video to not be too long. So I've realized that ntfs is quite special because the mount options maybe not the same, maybe not supported. So first, the first thing I had done, I use back to KDE Plasma and seek for information about this, and I've got this. So the mount point, I think it's not that important because it's on I don't know if it's really important. Let's see. So here I'm gonna list run media, so it doesn't have, right? Let's ll the root, and see run is root privilege folder. So I can list run, and all of them are not my user. Let's do a thing here and analyze the arguments. So he's having read and write, right? I don't really know why he's So ntfs3 is the file system type. Currently it's not, right? It's ntfs. So let's try to remount this. Let's try to remount this and give the type to be ntfs3 and find mount again. So it keeps being ntfs, right? I don't really know. Honestly, I don't really know why. And let's try some other options. 3G seems not take effect, and /3G no effect. So it seems not taking any effect. Let's back into this and ntfs3 read and write no SUIG. This option no SUIG is not being passed to it, so let's see if legal. No SUIG, so the option is being passed. Let's really just copy all of everything here to no dev. It's remaining no dev. I don't really know all of these options, but all of them are being passed through my doving. So rel a time, relative time, I think it's already being passed here by default. So UIG is being 1000. Here is different, right? UIG, GIG, and IO char set UTF-8. I think only UIG being 1000 and GIG being 100. So it's being passed now, but the read write option is not being recognized, right? I think that's because the ntfs file system type is not being correctly passed in the mount. So what can we do here? Here let's seek for exactly this option. The option is ntfs3. If you want to use ntfs as default driver for ntfs partition, such udevru does the trick. So I need to do a udevru, or I think it's not encountering the ntfs3. So let's grab this command, of this command, copy this. Let's see if so I've copied it. Let's here and do Nix shell ntfs 3g package, and I'm gonna paste the command without the additional character, so it keeps being ntfs. So let's seek for udev rule. Let's exit this shell, and the udev rule is on etc udev rules ntfs. Oh, it's not here. Let's check the manual here. Files by default are owned by root. I think it's what's happening here, right? It's the root thing here. If I try to chmod it, it's read-only file system. So what I need to do here? Sudo mount the umask here are not set, and I don't really know why it's 3 here and in mine here is not. So So it's complaining about fixing ntfs. I don't really know why, if it's a real thing, because I can mount on the KDE Plasma and not mount on, I don't know, man. I think it's not the right thing. Let's see if the AI can help me. So that's what's happening, right? It's struggling. Regenerate. So it needs to be loaded. Yes. He's asking me to you mount this, but I don't really think it's gonna solve the problem, right? It removes remount. Let's see. Oh, it solved the problem. It solved the problem. So let's see now what the options that it's really necessary, right? Let's sudo you mount this and sudo mount. I don't need to download this. I think it's already loaded in the Nix shell command. So read and write no SUIG, no dev UIGs. Let's remove the IGs here and see. It keeps the 4 IDs. So let's unmount and remove no SUIG, no dev. So I think I don't really need these options, just specifying ntfs3, right? I do need to load the ntfs3 and with alias mod so show the status of modules in the Linux kernel. So a lot of modules, right? And I don't really know what are out of this, of course. So the only thing we need to load is the ntfs3 module, and I just need to do this. And let's see now if I can edit some, or rather chmod this. Let's see, it's I'm just wanting to edit something here. Let's test with Flake. Oh shit. Yes, it's not read only. Let's edit this writing kit. Yes, I can edit the file any even if the folders are my property as user altogether. So it's only this. You really need the alias mod ntfs 3 module being loaded. After that, it's only, let's see, it not appears here in the Dolphin because this Dolphin is not really integrated with Hyprland. This thing here, I don't really know how to configure yet. So it needs to appear here in ntfs3 in the file system type, and I think that's it. So just do these steps. I think you can mount it